Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, hey you guys, what's up? So currently right now, I don't even have my phone over here, it's charging. I think it's like 12 in the morning, 12 or 1 o'clock. And I decided to go ahead and put one of my wigs on tonight. I already gave my face a deep clean, you know, before I put the wig on, because after I put this wig on, I'm going straight to bed. Like, I don't feel like putting on no makeup, none of that. I just want to show you guys how I apply my wig and get the gist of that. Also, I feel like each video I make, I have a new arena, but I think this is going to be my new set arena. Why I keep saying arena? This is going to be my new set background. I just kind of figured it out. And I'm like, okay, I kind of like this over the other one. So I'm going to be applying this wig. I actually have a YouTube video on my channel on how I colored it, cut it, and styled it. I mean, it's just a straight, you know. I just flat ironed it, but I show all that. So I'll drop the link at the bottom of the description, you guys, if you want to know. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get started in the video. I'm gonna go ahead and start plugging up a few of these my blow dryer and my hot comb that's over here. And yeah, I look so dead, but I'm gonna promise you I'm not. Like, I'm a little tired, but I ain't like extremely tired. So I got my mirror over here, and then boom, we're just gonna get straight into it. I'm really about to copycat how these other little girls be on YouTube trying to do they wigs, they little frontals. So yeah.
Not a game, it's a rich thing.
All right, cool. So now we're just gonna cut. If I can get it through. Girl, I'm retarded. Is it going through? It isn't. Whoa. Ooh. Y'all, mind you, I never did it like this before. So this is really new to me. But I'm learning on camera. So I'm gonna just finish cutting this off in the back, because we generally really need it for the front. So they just let it hang in the back? That's a weird. I kind of want to cut some more up front a little bit, because I don't like how they look. The front looks pretty cool. I don't like how my sides look. I think I need to lay the cap down a little bit better or whatever before I put it on, but this is how it looks for now. All right, so now I'm about to get my wig to see if this is too close, because my hairline is like literally right here. And this is like a lot. And I don't know. Let's just see. Ooh, my head. So yeah, I think I want to like push this back a little bit more. Lift some of it so I can cut a little bit more, because this line is showing through the lace. I know I could probably fix it, but I don't like how far up this is anyway. So I'm gonna just cut her off. All right, cool. So let me try to put it back on. Do I like how it is? Okay. We might be doing something. Okay, see, look at all this. I'm about to cut this off because it's just hanging. Look at this. It's just hanging on here. He needs pure skin. Yeah, that shit just hanging on. See, this side did better than this side. I don't know what happened. I ain't lay it right or something. Should I spray some more right there? You think I should, y'all? Let me see what it do. Alright, bet. That look a lot better, I guess. Yeah, from what it was, it do. Alright, two things. So, this was used to help the lace turn into the color I needed to be to match my skin tone. But y'all, it was working at first and then it wasn't. I don't know, it was weird. I got a video on it too, if you want to know, because bitch is dropping videos left and right, okay? I kind of want to try this again because I spent $15 on that and that shit need to work. So let me take it off my head. So I'm gonna just spray the inside. It really don't look like nothing, but I don't know. I'm about to blow dry it since I got it here. All right, cool. So it don't look as white as it did before, but I'm gonna spray one more time. And girl, if this don't work, I'm about to just resort back to my powder and call it a day because this shit don't work. So I ain't even gonna lie, like I do see a difference in the lace. The lace do look a little tinted compared to this lace down here. I don't know if y'all can see it. My honest review on this lace tint spray, I got golden. I don't like it. So I'm gonna just powder myself up like everybody else do, the norm, and just go all across. So now I'm gonna do the same with my lace. I'm gonna get a little powder and just start putting makeup all on there. All right, cool. So now that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Let's see if you match my skin tone. Okay, it's looking like my skin tone now. Where to park it? Oh, over here. All right, cool. So I'm feeling the lace. So now I'm gonna just adjust it to my head. So I just plucked some more on this side. I wasn't feeling how it was looking, but I think it's pretty cool now. I had plucked pretty good on this side before I put it on my head, so I'm pretty satisfied. So now we're about to apply the glue. This is my first time doing it, y'all. Like, I'm so nervous. Like, I never did this before. So the glue that I bought, like I said, this isn't Ghost Bond, but I did get it at the beauty supply store. Okay, y'all, so this is Wonder Lace Bond. It is a lace wig adhesive. So this is extra mega hold, girl. It says waterproof, all that. This shit better come off when I need it to come off. How you take off a lace? I don't know, but all right, y'all, I'm so nervous. I don't know why. Okay, so it's still kind of white. Interesting. So I'm gonna do one more coat. Oh God, am I putting too much on, y'all? I really think I am, because bitches be putting 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot. Put 4 dot up there. And then we're gonna spread it out.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So the grand finale. Damn. All right, y'all, so I think it's sticky enough to where I could go ahead and put my lace on. I'm super nervous. Eee! So let me go ahead and just slide it on down. Hold on, ho. You're moving too fast. Ain't nobody tell you to do that yet. Oh, God. I'm ruining it. I wanted to cover the lace for real. Ew, y'all see it? Do y'all see that right there? Why do it look like that? I was supposed to let it dry some more. Is that what I was supposed to do? Cause girl, I don't know. Ooh, that's real sticky. Oh, that's sticky. So, I think it's on. I just need to dry this out. It needs to be clear. So I'm gonna keep blow drying it until I think it's clear. I think I got it. Honey, I'm gonna have to put some makeup on this part. I don't like how white that look. So now we're about to cut it off. I just hope it looks right. Like, that's all I can hope for. Okay, y'all, I don't know what I did wrong, but literally my whole lace is lifting right now. I probably didn't push it. I just can't believe this is just happening right now. I mean, it can always be fixed. Always be fixed. So now, I'm gonna go in with my Good To Be glue spray and see if this works. So yeah. So that helped a lot. Me putting that Got To Be glue spray on. So I still think it looks a little ashy in the front, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna go back in with my powder foundation to just, you know, make it blend in with my skin. Cool. Now I got some alcohol wipes so I could wipe off some of this shit that's around my face. So yeah. So now I'm gonna start creating the baby hairs. Alright, bitch, so some of y'all know I always go in with my TRESemmé foaming, TRESemmé protection mousse. This always sleep my baby hairs how I need it to be. So right here tripping. Oh, first I need to cut it before I put that on. Look at that. Do y'all see that? Girl, when I say I be fleeking my baby hair, bro. Ooh! I just love doing my baby hairs. I ain't really, okay, let me Let me do that. Cause that right there drive me nuts. Well, where my foundation? Thank you. Like, why is that so white? And boom. But like, I don't know. Do I want it? Do I look like a grandma? I feel like I'm a grandma. I'm looking like a grandma right here. How does look, y'all? Should I do a bun like that? Should I wear it up? How y'all think that gonna look? But I might do crinkles. Girl, that look like somebody mama that's trying to be young with this color in my head. All right, y'all, so this is the look. How y'all feeling? How y'all feel about it? Like, let me know. Like, I like it personally. I don't think I'll wear it in this straight style. I think I'll do like some crinkles. I think crinkles will look really good in this. It's gonna shorten it more, but I think it's just gonna look hella cute. I hope it do. This was definitely something new and adventurous to try. Like I said, this is my first time ever actually using a real, for real glue on my head. It's cool. It laid it good, like, but I won't really know how good it lays until I have it on for a couple of days. So yeah, I won't really give you a good rating on this until I actually know how it does. But applying it was cool, you know. It was a little rough in the beginning, but it was interesting. It was nice. Yo, I can't get over my baby hairs. Like, jeez, this bad boy looks good. But yeah, you guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.